Hello everybody, today I will continue explaining data types in Excel, part 2. Okay, percentage. You can display percentage in two ways. Divide the number by 100, number with percentage sign. So dividing by 100, for example, if you want to say 12%, you just write period, then 1 and 2. So this is 12%. Or number with percent sign. So you will do 12 person like this. So write 1 and 2, then shift 5, and the sign percentage will appear, and you press enter. Now if there is another option, it's a great option as in Excel. You can automatically insert a decimal point. What does it mean? For example, we have 10.45. So if you have a number of a set of numbers with decimal point, and you are showing, for example, there is 2 decimal point always in these numbers, so you don't have to enter decimal point in every number, to automatically inserted by you. So to do this, you first have to change the Excel options. So you will go here in the Excel menu, then you select Excel options, then you go to advanced, then the option automatically insert a decimal point. You will check it, then make sure it is 2 decimal, then press OK. So now we'll try to test this functionality. You just, for example, type, for example, 10, 4, 5. You don't insert a period. After pressing the enter key, the decimal point will appear. So this benefit for you have a lot of numbers with decimal point, two places decimal point. Okay, to disable it, you go Excel options, go to advanced, and you will remove the checkbox. Another good feature in Excel also called block of cells. Block of cells mean, for example, if you want to enter 6 numbers in a certain form way. So six cells, you have 6 cells, and you want these numbers to be inserted like this. One is 1, second one, third one, fourth, 5, 6. So just you what we'll do, you would select these cells by clicking on the first cell, then go down, then go to the right. So make sure all the 6 cells are selected. Then you will enter your numbers, 4, for example, 5, 7. Then after you enter this, it go to the first column of the first column, first cell in the second column. So okay. Now dates and time. So the second type of data types called dates and time. So why dates and times are values? We said before, values are numbers that can be inserted in a formula. So for example, if you want to say date plus 1, so to give you tomorrow date, or time plus 1, so it will give you 1 hour after this the time. So what this is the reason of Excel consider times or dates as values, not as a text. Okay. What is the recognized format for time? So for example, we have 3 a.m. So it's called 3 a.m. So how we write this? You write 3 colon, then you write minutes, then space E. First enter, it will format for you the time. Okay. Or example, if you write only the 3, if you write 3A only, 3 space A, press enter, the format will be like this. Okay. doesn't matter if A or B is small or capital to be recognized by Excel. If you want to enter the minutes, so you write the hour from 3 and the minutes 21 and space and P, then it will be 3 hour 21 minute PM. Also, if you need to write the seconds, write the hour 3 column 21 and 0 for second A. So this is the full format of the hour. Sometimes the hours will be in 24 format. For example, 3 o'clock means in 24 format 15. So you write 15 column and you insert the minute 20, press enter. So there is no APM. So AM PM for 12-hour format. This is called 24 formats. The same thing if you enter the second, insert second column, then 04. Now for date format, also we have to know something very important. Excel can understand the dates or months names. So for example, for weekdays we have Saturday, Sunday. So if I enter here Saturday, just the first abbreviation letter, first 3 letters. So Excel will recognize this as a Saturday. How we can know? If you select this date, then you go to the right down corner of the cell, and you will see the mouse has come small plus. So then you click it and you drag it to the right. So say to the right Sunday, so Monday. So it will write for you what is the after Saturday is Sunday, then Monday. So week names or day names are recognized by Excel. The same thing for months. If we write, for example, Jan and say also Feb, and you select this 2 cells, then you will drag it, as we said before, March, April, and so on. So this is very important that months abbreviation or date abbreviation are recognized by Excel. Okay, to write a date in a cell, it has many formats. So example, November 6, 2008. So how do we write this format? You will just write 1 for the date over the 6 over 2008. Now you go to this cell, go to the cell and right click format cells. Then you will go to the date and you select here this format, month and date and the year. Now the size of the formatted data is not wide enough, so you see hash figures in the cell. So you will go to the right, try to resize the cell and it will appear. So 1st of June 2008. Okay. Another format, write it like 11/6/2008. So hyphen. So write 11-6-08. Press enter. Okay. Or you can write the month as a letter. So say 6 November space 08. So this is also recognized. Okay. So there are a lot of formats in the dates for Excel can be recognized. Okay, now we'll go to the important data type. This is a formula. Formula is very important in Excel and mostly used in Excel. So a formula should start with the equal sign. Okay, so for example, if you say equal 5 or 6 plus 5, okay, once you enter, press enter, it will give you the value is 11. But if you go to the formula bar here, this is a formula bar, you will see the formula itself. So 6 plus 5, and the result will be displayed in the cell itself. Okay. Another point in the formula, use a series of values or cell reference. So you can write values, these are the values, or you can in the formula refer to cell address. Okay, what is cell address? For example, if we go here, the cell address is D50. So column D, row 50 is called here, this address of the cell. So it's D50. It's called D50. So we'll enter a value here, for example, and in the next cell another value. Okay. If you want to sum these cells in and show the result here, you write equal, then you go to the mouse, click the first cell, then you write in the keyboard plus sign for summation, then you click the second one, then you press enter. So you will see the summation 4 plus 6 is 10. But in the formula bar, you will see another thing. This is called cell reference. So D50, if we go D50, so this is 4. And E50 is called E50, which is 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Another good options also, if you want to change these values, what will happen to the result? It will automatically change. So if I change the 4 to the 2, then I press enter. So 2 plus 6 is 8. So the formula will automatically calculate it after changing any of the referenced cells in the formula. Okay. So what in the formulas we can have? We can have most of the operation, mathematical operators, like the plus sign, minus sign, asterisk. Asterisk means here in Excel multiplication, or slash means here for division, or caret, which is very small, for raising a number of exponential power. So for minus, for example, if we write equal, you have to write equal first. 4 minus 3, so it will be 1. For multiplication, again, we said it before, formula, we have equal to shift 8, which is asterisk, means multiplication, to another 2, so it will be 4. For division, say equal again, 8 slash or division divided by 4, which is equal to 4. Exponential power, we write equal to which is shift 6 to the power 2, which means 4. So simple mathematical operators can be included in the formula.